Live, very intense, aggressive, heavy, severe snowstorm. Yellow weather warning, Woking Town. UK 26, like this video, press the thumbs up the right side of the screen, tighten the motor, it's 10:05 AM in the morning, and it is January the 6th month, Tuesday morning, UK 26 guys. It's snowing right now, very aggressively, we've got this big heavy snowstorm. Shout out, it's just coming in from the northwest of Woking Town, which is just over there. There goes the, you name it, Weymouth Express train from, you name it, Woking train station, going westwards. It's bitterly cold guys. This is tense man, this is tense man. These scry Sean sign Germans, got the thumbs up the right side of the screen. Go places, go places. This is my friend Sparky and Jimbo for Friday 3 to 5 PM, ITFO things, so Hill Glacier. This is my friend John on last show for Sunday 9 to 12 and live in the Wake show. This is tense man. This is Scry sign Germans on YouTube. I was out in the worst snowstorm you could ever see across Woking Town locally. Here we go guys, it's even settling right now, it's very cold, look at that, yeah, it's bitterly cold guys, no joke. It's unexpected this was this morning, I did predict it though, no joke, earlier on. These Scottish Germans on YouTube, in my opinion. That's on the right side of the screen. This is Tasman.